Welcome to Buy Stake Chill. This channel is your guide to complex future tech, crypto, AI, and decentralization, all explained simply in this series. Our purpose is to awake and evolve people, bringing you up to speed with the rapid growth of this advanced world. Learn valuable skills with me, or you will fall behind. Now let's start with the basics. Today, we are explaining the foundation of the world's most powerful decentralized AI network, TAO. We're going to make this complex topic as easy as eating a banana. This starts with understanding the history of value. For thousands of years, people used barter trading goods directly. This was inefficient, often difficult, and relied on luck to find someone who wanted what you had. To fix this, we created gold coins. Gold was valuable because it was naturally scarce and easy to verify its quality. Gold eventually led to paper currency backed by the promise of governments and stored in banks. These institutions became central points of trust and control over your wealth. Every dollar you hold is dependent on their policies. Then came the digital revolution. We moved from physical cash to digital payments. Your money became pure information transmitted over private networks. This is just a number on a screen, but who controls that number? The banks and big companies approve every transfer and hold all the records. That is the risk. The money you use every day is centralized, meaning its rules can be changed or transactions can be stopped by a single authority. And yes, this is where crypto comes in. Crypto was designed to give control back to the people by removing the need for a bank. Imagine a giant digital shared notebook where every single transaction is recorded and cryptographically secured. Everyone gets a copy of this notebook. No one person, no bank can cheat, censor, or erase a transaction once it's recorded. This digital notebook, secured by decentralized consensus, is called the blockchain. This technology allows for truly trustless money. The first successful digital money to use this system was Bitcoin. It proved that digital scarcity and digital transfer could work globally. It proved we could send money directly to each other without needing any middleman, enabling pure peer-to-peer value transfer. Now let's fast forward to payments with intelligence. Blockchain technology can do much more than just send basic currency. It can process transactions that confirm the payment and verify the service delivered. We call this service delivery confirmation. Instead of a simple ledger recording, person A sent $10 to person B, the system records much more. The new system records AI model A provided the best answer and was automatically paid 1 TAO coin for its verified service. This evolution from trading a chicken to trading verifiable decentralized intelligence is the core foundation of Bittensor. This is the new frontier of value. Join us for video 2, where we cover the second major building block, the incredible journey of artificial intelligence. We will explore the complexity behind AGI. We'll explain the ladder of intelligence from datasets all the way to AGI and the absolute necessity of open source AI for the world. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy Stake Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.